Hi, and welcome to our presentation. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Scribe Online Connector for Intacct. Intacct is a cloud-based financial package, payables, receivables, all those good things you would have in a typical ERP system. It is very good for software companies who have issues with revenue recognition, recurring billing, companies that need project accounting and things like that. We're going to focus on the integration today. And the integration in particular that we're looking at is an integration between Dynamics CRM and Intacct. Now, first of all, if you're not familiar with Scribe, Scribe is a middleware application. It's an integration platform. It's a number of different names, but essentially what it does is it transfers information from one location to another. Whether you're pulling it from a SQL database or you're pulling it from Dynamics CRM or Salesforce, ConnectWise, a number of different applications, and you're pushing it over to a number of different applications. Again, Dynamics CRM, Intacct, Dynamics GP, ConnectWise, any of those different pieces. So today we're going to focus on Dynamics CRM being the source and Intacct being the target. Now, I want to show you just a couple of things real quick here. We're going to focus on accounts to customers with this demonstration, but you are able to look at orders, products, contacts, quotes, virtually all of the objects that are available for Dynamics CRM, and you're able to look at customers, vendors, order entry. You're able to look at projects and timesheets. You're able to look at general ledger entries, AP bills, virtually all the parts of Intacct as well. So quite a bit of choices there that you can use to manipulate your data, move your data, transfer your data from one system into the Intacct application. Typically, it's as easy as drag and drop. So if I just double click here and get into the application itself, then if I want to come down here to create customers, you can see that we make our connections, and on the left-hand side, you have your Dynamics CRM fields. On the right-hand side, you have your Intacct fields, and you are able to literally drag and drop between the systems. So with that in mind, let's go over to Dynamics CRM. I'm going to do a quick search here for a company called Acme. And I'm just searching for the first name there, Acme. We're going to create Acme Explosives, but I just want to show you it does not exist in either system. So I'm going to come over here to New, and I am going to create Acme Explosives. And I want you to notice we're not going to put in an Intacct ID number. I want you to see what happens with that. Pay particular attention there. And 1212. And we're going to come down here to 100 Main, or we'll do 10 Main Street, Raleigh. Let's see, 27609. And I'm going to save it to create the account. Then I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to create a contact. And who better to have as a contact and Wiley Coyote. We're going to make him a head product tester. And we're going to save. And then we're also going to make Wiley the primary contact on the account. So let's go down here and save this. Okay. So we've created the account inside of the Dynamics CRM application. I'm just going to go back to my account list here, and you can see that now, of course, it is listed. And if I want to drill back into it here, I can see the information. We've got the name, the phone number, and the contact information over here on the right-hand side. So let's go over, again, Scribe application. Let's go over to the Intacct application, and I am going to click on customers to refresh my list here, and I should be able to type in Acme, and we're going to do just a quick search here and turn up our Acme customer account. So we do have Acme Explosives. It's been created. It was assigned the customer ID number of 433. We do see Wile E. Coyote as a contact, 10 Main Street. There's our phone number. So we brought all this information over into the Intacct system. Now, if we go back to Dynamics CRM and we refresh our screen here, I want you to notice that the 433 for the Intacct ID that we did not key in is now in the Dynamics CRM system. So we're able to create records in Intacct, Intacct automates the ID number, and we're able to push that back to Dynamics CRM. So this is just one example of what you can do with our integration. Again, customizable, automated, really virtually the possibilities are almost as limitless as they could be with anything. So if you have any questions, feel free to move around the ScribeSoft website. That's scribesoft.com, or check out our website, masseyconsulting.net. masseyconsulting.net. Thank you very much for your time today. I really do appreciate it.